Matar Paneer. You need 1 onion, 1 tomato, you need few cashews, garlic ginger paste and curds. You add some garam masala, turmeric, some jeera powder, some red chili powder, curds, green chili, and put it in the blender and mix all together. This is a very quick and easy recipe. Once blended, it gets a beautiful color. This is homemade paneer which I have cut into cubes. Take a clay pot and add the blended mixture. This does not require any oil as already cashews, the healthy fat is added to it. So just let it simmer for a while, cover and cook for a while. Then add fresh peas into the mixture and saute and keep it for 10 minutes. In between, you can keep stirring it for a while. You can see it has a beautiful color. Add the homemade paneer, mix well. You can leave this to simmer for say about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the required amount of salt, some fresh coriander leaves, and serve this dish. Just sprinkle a little bit of garam masala if needed for that tangy flavor.